Charge ka fet, kade pou sa nepot man yan. Sa ou fe sa ou Panit sa pou gaspiller les pièces bagay ki pa fier chest pou jeune. Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Versace, Nike, Adidas et Clarks, Cabrile, bam. Pis mes vieux vive la vie privée, éduqué comme oui complète. Mais ma motive is not, c'est trendset, clever trendset.
Bkc, what's up? Just a little update on how we feed our puppies. Of course, it's changing, so this is not every day. Right now, we're just getting into this mode. We have some eggs in there. We have a little bit of dine. That's what you see on the bottom here. We're gonna be adding some full cream, milk, some plain yogurt, and also for a little bit of taste, we're gonna be doing a little bit of wheat and honey. And don't forget the main ingredient, goat milk. So I'll be mixing everything in together and showing you how this goes. We're gonna get 3 scoops of goat milk in there. We already have like 2 tablespoons of dine. We're gonna be adding 2 scoops of yogurt. We're gonna be adding about a quarter of this canned milk, and that's whole cream. And also we're gonna be adding a couple scoops of wheat and honey in there. We have our raw eggs in already, and that's how we'll be feeding the pups. I'll show you guys how it is when it's done. Bkc. So we added in our whole cream milk. I'm gonna add some water to this, warm water. I'm gonna be mixing it in a moment, but I'm gonna take 2 scoops. And again, guys, this is just for a few days. Well, for about a week. Now we're gonna add our goat milk. Actually gonna blend it together so we get all of the big particles out in the bullet. Yep, that's how you want it. So we took all of the bigger sediments on the top and we were able to smooth that out. Woo! Yep. Puppy milk. So here you have it, guys. Bkc Puppy Formula. Unfortunately today I'm working solo, so I won't be able to record and show you guys how we feed. If you're following me on Instagram, you probably have a good idea of that already. We have a bigger size bottle right now, so we're gonna go feed the pups. Might have to do 2 of these. Okay, big up yourself, Bkc. You don't know, we out. Make sure you follow us, like, subscribe, and of course keep following Bloodline Kennel Club. Big things coming soon.
Charge ka fet, kade pou sa nepot man yan. Sa ou fe sa ou Panit sa pou gaspiller les pièces bagay ki pa fier chest pou jeune. Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Versace, Nike, Adidas et Clarks, Cabrile, bam. Pis mes vieux vive la vie privée, éduqué comme oui complète. Mais ma motive is not, c'est trendset, clever trendset.